so man, it's on overly deep.
With this, they said they go wrap on there, man. Lime on this side. This junk sweet. Laced by J5.
Look, J5 say he be lacing people. Hold on. Say no, I'm playing. Regular. They got sexy GTR right here. Look at this.
You got the drags on there. This junk look crazy. For me, it look crazy. They got this. Oh yeah. They got them out here for sure.
You about to step over here. Oh, y'all boy, y'all see? We go purple on them today. Purple on the seat. And we go pad. And then after this, I will be going to get some more clothes on the smooth side.
They said they go track hard. This is on raw. This is on sweet. You say you go track hawk on them. Crazy big old pipes on the back. This is on hard.
He say he go big. I know this not loud. You hear me? We gonna slide over here right quick. C8 screaming. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I don't even know. I got this car show from like YouTuber. He said pop out, get you some little content, guaranteed content. Pop out, get you some little car content. It's gonna be smooth. So I took his initiative and I popped out. You hear me?
Okay, cool. But this is the same car show. You watch all my other vlogs. So they go G8 on them. So they go SS Fredo. You hear me? Okay, cool. 5.0. Hemi.
Ain't gonna lie, y'all. Me personally, I don't like Hemis with all type of stuff on it. I don't mess with that. But and that. Ooh, this is not the best lamb chop joint. Hold on. What is this?
This is a crazy looking car. I thought this was a lamb. This don't look like a lamb.
Don't have to be down to maybe 4 years. That's hard. Ours are going to show. Let's see who
Yeah, I seen this. This is the same Camaro that we seen at the one car show, I think. This is ZL1 guy. This is the same car we had seen at that one car show. He be with all them other YouTubers.
I ain't gonna glaze, but he be with all the other YouTubers. You hear me? Okay, cool.
And they say they go Ferris wheel. They say they go RC cars out here. Big RC cars out here. Okay, cool.
Gotta make sure my purple tag don't come off. My purple tag came off in the car one time, and I was sick. I was sick. You hear me? Ain't gonna lie. This manager, she got my eye. This man did just get my eye, bro.
This junk is sweet. I'm about to put this junk as my wallpaper. This junk is crazy. This junk just got my eye to a 720S guy. This junk going in my wallpaper. Hold on, y'all.
Alright, y'all, I did just go take a picture of that car, bro. I had to turn off the camera. You feel me?
But this junk is overly piped, overly packed out right now, bro. You feel me? All type of faces out here. All type of people with cars.
Yeah, all type of cars. This surrounding this one car. You see what it is?
You won't get a crowd like this, bro.
Really try to see what it is. I don't know what it is.
What's next to it?
Go ahead and see. Try to get inside here, guys.
There's no crowd around it.
It's a crazy lamb chop, bro. Oh, my camera look blurry. Oh. It's on hard. SBJ sit low. What car they surrounding with?
I don't even feel like squeezing here. Hold on.
Turbo S guy. This is stupid. And it's like, it's not real small, so like, I know it's quick. I know it's not quick. You got Turbo S on them.
That's just sweet.
Lamborghini.
Alright, how we gonna walk up here? Hey, I didn't even put on spray.
TZ right here.
You feel me? Okay, cool.
SRTZ, he said he go wide body, 392. You feel me? It's on hard. I would go wide body, 392. Slim body. Slim body guy with the big wheels on him. But this here, get out his foot. He said he go Ferrari on him. Ooh, this is super fast, I think.
Hold on, y'all.
It's crazy to see it.
I think it's super fast.
Get a connection.
That might be a super
I'm
fast.
looking at
I ain't really no car guy, but I know a little bit about cars, so you feel me? I can't really tell y'all too much. But I know this is a Ferrari, and I know how the super fast. I think the super fast is a little bit wider. This might just be a regular Ferrari, but it's junk is raw. Junk is raw. All right, y'all. So they said they go old school Lamborghini on them. This junk is so crazy, bro. They said they go old school Lamborghini. This junk look futuristic, bro. The inside of this guy, the back of it, crazy motor. This junk is stupid. Take a picture of this guy. So they go 720S. That's all wrong. 720S, man.
I'm gonna lie, y'all boys, they got the cars out here. They got the cars out here for sure. That one I want for sure. They got these little cars. They got some old schools. I don't really know, like, they got flavors of cars. Every type of car you like, they got it out here, bro. You feel me? I'm just out here early morning. It's like 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. I'm getting this content for y'all. You feel me? Y'all make sure y'all click the like button. We're gonna keep on recording a little bit. Try to get some minutes out here. Try to get some watch time. Y'all stay to the end. Y'all make sure y'all comment. Yeah. I didn't want to say anything. You feel me?
Someone said they go slingshot crew on them. By the way, say they go Cam Breezy on them. Big trucks out here. Big Broncos out here. You hear me? Big Broncos out here. Big fire truck. They trying to get me copyrighted out here, bro. Oh, dang, bro. Why they trying to get me copyrighted out here, bro? Don't get me copyrighted. We gonna just cut this out. I might get something to drink, y'all boys.
It's like a fair? What the? Y'all trying to go to the fair with me? Stupid Stupid
So they got electric Mustangs on them, by the way. Pink. Okay, cool. Ain't gonna lie, y'all boys. I might gotta get some food.
At least just get something to drink. I'm OD thirsty. Can't pass out the bit. Gotta get something to drink, something to eat.
Come here.
Feel me?
What are you doing? Yeah, bro.
There's a whole group of Mustangs out there, bit. You feel me? They got food trucks out here. Everybody out here popping and enjoying their time. Okay, cool. Feel me? We got perfect tag on, so we don't gotta worry about that. They got many Doberman out there. God, you hear me? Man, they got some nice little old cars on the strip. Nice little old cars on the strip. What this is. He say, look, don't touch. You hear me? Don't touch it. Got the Ruchis on here. They jump raw. Y'all want to come out here? Y'all gotta look it up. I would gatekeep, but y'all find it. Public car show. Y'all pop out, get y'all content. Post. You hear me? It's smooth. It's smooth, you hear me? Hey, cool. So they go Demon 170, another Demon 170 out there. But this is a regular Demon right here. Ain't gonna lie, y'all boys, they got the toys out here. You feel me? It's a regular cat. It's not smooth. Regular hell, yo. Sound like a bomb. Sound like a bomb. These cars sound like a bomb, boy. Get them off the streets. Yeah, ain't gonna lie, we need to take a picture in front of the city. Take a picture in front of the city. Get somebody to take a picture in front of the car. I'm gonna find a car that I like. Give me a good thumbnail, we working. Next time I come, I gotta come with somebody, bro. You gotta get the reels. I'm gonna show y'all, then I'm gonna get the reels. Oh, this is sweet. This is sweet. Say he go McCleasy on him, by the way. Hold on, y'all boys. Y'all, that car that sounded like a bomb, bro, I need to see what that is. That joint is OD loud. Where is he at? I don't know where that car was at. That joint was OD loud. I think it was that. It gotta be somewhere there. That's where everybody's standing. Oh, this that guy that little baby was in. This joint's so small and compact, bro. Bro, where did that car just go? Everybody right here standing right here. I know it gotta be over here somewhere. I don't know where it's at. That joint was OD loud. Everybody out there got working. Everybody got their cameras out. They got OD big cameras out here, bro. Everybody got their cameras out there, bit. Everybody working. You feel me? What he about to do? He about to, say he go. Okay, cool. About to get out of here. I don't even know. But about to find some little more stuff to do. Oh, you hear me? Okay, cool. Y'all, it was a good little car show. A little small, got my content. Probably like 15 minutes, 12, 13 minutes. Worth of content, man. If I see something else, I will record it. Oh, here go y'all Hellcats right here, bro. Here go a couple of Hellcats right here for y'all boys. Couple of Hellcats right here. Get these in the vlog. There we going, bro. TRX. They said they go. So they go cat. I got a couple of them right here. Gotta get these on the real. Get nasty. I know you about to get nasty. About to get right. Y'all boy, they got them toys out here, by the way. You hear me? They got them toys out here for sure. CTSB guy. I mean, that jump hard. That jump hard. CTSB. Toys out here, y'all. He running too. Don't think he not running. It's Z06. He said he go scooter on there. Hey, cool. Y'all boys gonna walk down here a little bit. Oh. Crazy what you're doing. I'm gonna let y'all know there's more cars coming. Got them toys out here, y'all. A lot of y'all. Hear me, y'all boys. You got some real vloggers out here, man. Everybody out here vlogging, man. You hear me? Everybody do YouTube. Okay, cool. Feel me, y'all boys, but we gonna keep on working, man. We go camera soon, and it's gonna be good. It's gonna be grits, man. You hear me? Okay, cool. I don't like waking up early, but I wake up early for y'all. Okay, cool. You hear me? Wake up early for y'all. Get this content, get these cars, and we straight. You hear me? That's how I go. You feel me? We go super. We're gonna end the vlog out with a super. Alright, y'all boys. I'm gonna get these last couple of minutes for y'all, man. Ooh, I ain't seen this. It's a purple super. Get these last couple. They can say they go Hellcat Jeep. Or this a demon? Or this a Hellcat? Oh my god, this is a demon Jeep. Oh snap. Yeah, this is actually the same wheel. This is a demon Jeep. This jump hard. They said they go demon on them, by the way. Hold on, y'all boys. That's a demon 170. Oh, I already recorded it. I'm tripping. I'm about to walk over here right now.